Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today what we're going to do in this episode is I'm going to unbox a new mic which I've got for making my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is first I'll be unboxing this and then we'll be going ahead and testing it out in this video. So let's start. Okay then, as I told you, let's go ahead and unbox this mic. This is actually a Maono mic. I'll be leaving the link in the description if you would like to check it out. It's from Amazon. So let me see what it is. It's an XLR mic over here. So let me open this. In this channel, mostly what I go ahead and do is I unbox stuff, I give reviews, and I test the things out because I purchased them myself. So let's go ahead and try this out. So as I told you, it's a Maono mic and it's a dynamic microphone. You can see this clearly, dynamic microphone. So let me open this up. That was pretty easy. So this is the microphone over here. So this is the XLR attachment and this is the on off button. And with this let me check if there's something else. Okay, there's an instruction manual in this. And that's it. So this is the XLR socket over here, which goes into the Maono mic. It gets attached like this. And this one is a normal amplifier connector, but we will not be able to use it to connect to any other device which has a 3.5 jack. So I'll be going I do have a 3.5 converter. I'll be attaching that and let's go ahead and test it out. Okay guys, this is the connector which I also purchased from Amazon and it comes to 179 rupees. Where you can put it to the bigger jack over here and convert it to a 3.5 jack to connect it to your phone. And this is the mic, the whole set with the wire, and this one I got in Amazon for about $9.89. So this is one of the cheapest mics you get over there in the beginning stage. Like if you want to karaoke or if you want to make YouTube videos or anything, you might try to use this. Let me check whether this works with a mobile phone also. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start recording using this mic and test whether this is working out. Hi guys, so as you can see now I have connected the mic which I just purchased and unboxed over here. This is called a Maono mic and it is called an XLR mic. And as I showed you, I got an adapter also to connect along with the phone. Where I have connected it, I'm going ahead and doing a live testing with recording this video itself. If this gets recorded, that means this mic works. And this is the cheapest mic which you can get online. It's about 989 rupees as I told you on Amazon. I'll be leaving the link below. You can go ahead and purchase from that. And you can buy the connector in case if you don't have the connector with you, the 3.5 jack connector for your phone. Or in case you have a Type-C port, you can also connect the connector to Type-C to 3.5 jack adapter. For even that, I'll be leaving a link below. So if you're a new YouTuber or anything and if you're looking out for an inexpensive mic, this would be a good option. The reason why I got this mic was I was using this mic before and this was a wireless mic which I was using, and I had some feedback from my own subscribers stating that the audio quality was not good. please do let me know in the comments how do you feel about the audio quality of this mic compared to the previous quality which I had before. That is just before changing to this mic, I was speaking in this mic. So let me know whether this mic's quality is better and which one should I use, so that I can take your feedback into account, and I'll be doing that. And the total cost, as I told you, was just about, you can just keep a round figure of 1,100 to 1,150 for the whole mic set itself, and it's available in Amazon. Please do go ahead and check it out over there. And if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe for getting future updates about this. And I did go ahead and make the previous video on different other kind of mics also, for which you can see my all videos card, in which you'll be able to see that. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe. And this Kamal Tech Vlog, and you're speaking to Kamal, and you have a wonderful day.